Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Forcestop on the application of Disney+. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Disney+ and you will enter. Then you can click on Forcestop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.